I'm just moving along here in nature, just vibing. And I wanted to show you guys this video today because I want you guys to understand. I'm kind of walking a little fast because it's cold, but we can't let nothing stop us, okay? So I kind of wanted to give you guys this video today so you can understand about DNA activation codes, being in certain areas. Different places hold energy, okay? Gotta block that sign, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, people be trying to alert. But different places hold different activations. And when you go into different places, you'll get different energies. So, like, that's another reason why I like to travel. I like to move around because you get different energies. Now, I'm going to break this down on my channel as well, but you must understand when you're moving around and you're doing that, you'll get different. You gotta watch people. You gotta be aware. We living in the crazy days. Shit about to shift. You never know what motherfuckers might be on. But yeah, so we living in the times where we gotta pay attention to the shit around us too, because we're getting activated. You may go to a different location, or why do people want to move to different places? Because it's different codes. It's different energy activations. When I be on shrooms, I literally see the fucking waves coming off the ground, the energy. Different areas emit different energies, okay? So, understand that, know that, okay? And, like right now, I'm somewhere, I'm not in Georgia right now. And the energy and the activation that I've been getting within this environment has been very different. Y'all, look at this tree. I'm about to put the camera. Look at this tree. Like, just getting different energy and activation codes from different places in the world. Like, you could just feel the energy. You feel me? Putting your hand on it, collecting up the DNA, the energy of the area. But look at that tree. It just like it's been there for a little bit. But yeah, like, I feel like this place is, well, I'm gonna do another video explaining this specific place where I'm at, but yeah, so with that being said, different places hold different activation codes, and you just want to kind of utilize where you're at to the best that you can. So too, you could study history when it comes to that, but most times you want to really just want to look into, how do I feel when I'm in this environment? Because you could study history, but like we said, history is his story. It's only going to give you so much. And most of the times, too, like, it may just give you something to throw you off from what the environment's really about. You know what I'm saying? So, think about that, too. And they throw a lot of illusions and a lot of, I want that stick. Y'all, I'm going to get it back from the gas station so I could collect some stuff. I'm going to show you how to get offerings without no money. Okay? Period. How to get shit that you can use on your path without no money. Because I know y'all see Bank of America been taking people money. They've been talking about it. They're talking about the United States is in debt. All this other type of crazy shit. Yeah, get ready, okay? Get ready for the strangest of times. And I did that video on Chelsea yesterday. Some of y'all may need to watch that to learn about the herbs in your area. Or we may have to travel across lands, you know what I'm saying? To get different herbs and things that we might need. Because we may not be able to go to no botanica. You may just have your medicine lady that you're going to be able to go to. And, or whatever the case may be. Or you the medicine lady or the medicine man. You feel me? So, get ready for that, because we're not far from them times, bro. You got to know how to heal yourself, cleanse yourself, and get yourself good with nature. You feel me? Learn how to ground yourself. Put your feet on the ground. And revitalize yourself. Activate yourself with what we've been given that's free. Now, it's certain techniques and certain ways, you know, like I was telling y'all on the Patreon, that are free, that anyone can do. And a lot of people don't know this. So, we getting into that, okay? We getting into that, and yeah. Y'all enjoy the rest of this vlog, though. Y'all look at that 222. Alright, look at the pine cones, the baby pine cones, y'all. So, I'm gonna take one if I can reach it. Oh, y'all, I think you're supposed to wait for it to fall. Look. Look at me. I normally get them when they're on the ground, but they don't got none on the ground. Wait the fuck. We're gonna get one leaf. Put that in our bag. Okay. Get a leaf, you know, a leaf. They're like a heart, low key. Leaves have the same veins as like humans. One stick. We're gonna use it as a wand to call what we want. Oh, I gotta zoom out. My bad, y'all. We're gonna use that as a wand. And then I had seen some berries I wanted to get. I don't even know if they're dangerous or not, but Spirit was just like, get them. So, so I'm gonna get some. I gotta find them again. Hold on. So this I was talking about, y'all. The pine needles on the tree. And then, I don't know what that is. Is that a pine cone? I was about to get that, but it looks like it's not a pine cone. But yeah, y'all. Almost fell. Hold on, wait a minute. And then look, like these is trees that have been cut down. I like standing. It's my goal. I almost fell in, but it was deep, but it wasn't that deep. But that just felt good. Oh my God, the road rage. But it felt good standing in it. Like trees that's been taken down, standing in it and like imagining that you got a tree again. Like look at this one. Hold on, y'all. Shit is cold. See? Yeah. Do your thug tizzle. My nose running. But yeah, you guys. Alright. Y'all. This tree like it had been through a lot. I'm just, you know. These are good too. Like I talk about the Ochosi, I'm gonna talk about the Ochosi offerings on Patreon. And that would be a good one. What are these? Oh, look at that tree. Then they got the little things. I think I'm gonna get one. See? One of these. And I know. My nose running, y'all. Ooh. And then I want a green leaf. And I didn't want to pick it, so I got the one on the ground because it was already ready. It already let go. But sometimes you can pick it if you feel drawn to it. It's all about what Gaia says back to you, you know? What does she say she's okay with? Consent is always, you know, the best. These are the ones that Spirit was like, get them. What are they? I don't know. I'm taking it. She told me that I could do it. Look, I'm taking these ones. I can't. I'm weak, y'all. My hands cold as hell. They shaking and shit. Am I taking too much? Oh, she said I'm taking too much. Okay. See? I was doing too much. Period. Alright. It says be better. That is really cute. All these times I passed that, I never even noticed it. That's why it's important to slow down. Pay attention. And to see things, you know. Alright, y'all. I'm in the neighborhood. Gotta go. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to show y'all what I got on my treasure hunt for offerings to Spirit. And I will probably, usually I end up using them in workings. But look at this, okay? Peapow leaves have veins just like us. Okay? It's a lot of life when it comes to earth and nature, okay? Also, too, this is not what I got out of nature, but I have another apple for Spirit that I like to put on there. Fruits and vegetables are mostly like fruits, though, especially for like harvesting things. Fruits can be really good to put on your altar as well. Let me clean this table like it's dirty a little bit. I'm gonna clean this and come back, y'all. Clean your space before you get started. You feel me? These are really good for altar tables too, y'all. Setting up altars right then for that moment. Like I do a lot of moving altars, so you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. All right, you guys. So I did set a light, and I brought some lavender because it is Saturn Day. So yeah. I'm not doing any heavy work, you know, but I want to give these offerings because I appreciate all the help that I'm getting in removing these blockages from my life. We got some pine cones. Got a leaf. And pine is really good too. I talked about it a little bit on Patreon, but I might do another video about it on here. I like to check and see if there's bugs and stuff. That one does look like it has bugs, so we might gotta take that one back outside. Hold on, y'all. And two, if you don't like bringing these things in your home from outside, you can set set up a outside altar as well, you know. But me, hey, I know I can clean up and all that, so I'm fine. But yeah, so we got pine cone, pines, black tourmaline, these berries. I don't even know what these are. I gotta look them up again because I forgot. Leaf, lavender, apple, and this is just what I'm offering to my spirits today that are with me, helping me, and constantly guiding me. I just went out there and picked what I was drawn to for them. And then too, if you get things like I had that other thing, I just put it outside and offered it outside, okay? Just putting that offering outside your door in the front is offering as well, okay? And I also do have my incense right here. Feel me? Period. Peace.